Hello and welcome to this screencast. My name is Oliver Wirkus. I'm a senior SharePoint consultant with Softlanding in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm also a Microsoft MVP. This video is part of a series of videos that we at Softlanding created to assist our App Modernization initiative. The videos in this series are providing technical information for developers and IT admins that is directly related to our app modernization workshops and talks. Before we start, please allow me to quickly introduce Softlanding. We are a Vancouver-based Microsoft systems integration partner founded in 2000. We have about 50 staff in our Vancouver office and are partnered with, amongst others, Saracen, Metalogix, Nintex, and specialize in Microsoft Enterprise Technology. Our area of expertise comprises of 4 pillars. Number 1 is the Microsoft Productivity Stack, including Office 365 and SharePoint. Pillar number 2 is all about Microsoft infrastructure, including Azure and on-premises infrastructure. Pillar 3 is focused on custom development, like app development, SharePoint and Azure development. And Pillar 4 is our security practice. If you would like to know more about what we are doing and how we might help you, please visit our website or contact us via info@softlanding.ca. Most business applications are using SQL Server databases to save data too. Although this is the recommended approach for datasets, a SQL Server database is not the best option to save huge files to. Luckily, Microsoft Azure is offering Azure Blob storage, which is able to deal with huge data files in an effective manner. In this video, I will show you how to upload a video file to the Azure Blob storage and how to stream it. To be able to utilize Microsoft Azure as platform to host your business applications, you first need to have a subscription. If you don't have a subscription yet, you can always get a trial subscription that is available for 1 month free of charge. Navigate to www.azure.microsoft.com and sign up for a free trial account. As I just mentioned, in this video I'm going to enhance the functionality of my existing demo application. I will add a video file to the Azure Blob storage and I will show you how you can stream that video. In the subsequent videos, we will take this basic application and enhance its functionality. Okay, let's jump right in and go to my Azure portal. So here's the dashboard of my Azure portal. And here you can see we already have a storage account that I have created in video number 3. So let's click on all resources now, because I would like to open our storage account. Here we go. So next step is we need to create a container. To do that, I'm scrolling down to Blob Service Containers. I'm clicking on Container. And I click on Add Container. So the name of my container will be, oops, that was wrong, App Modernization Videos. And the access type will be Blob. So let's create that container and we're done. So Azure has created our container, so let's click on that container and open that container. And here you can see I can upload a video. Now let's do that right now. So click on Upload. Select a file. I'm going for this one here. Block type will be set to block blob and I'm uploading the file. So while this file gets uploaded, let's switch over to my dev environment. So here's Visual Studio and here you can see my demo application that I have created in the first 3 videos. Now I would like to enhance this functionality and I would like to to get access to my video file in my Azure Blob storage and to stream that video. So to be able to do that, I first need to create a new view. So I click on Home here, click on Add and View. And with this, I'm going to add a new view to my MVC application. So this view will have the name Video. I'm going with the out-of-the-box _layout.cshtml template. So I simply click Add. So here is the basic view. And I just need to enhance this view a little bit. So first I need to have a variable. And this variable needs to hold the video URL. And this is of type string. And I will get that video URL from the view data array and from video. Okay. And the next thing is I need to be able to display the video. So I'm doing this by just using the HTML5 video player tag. So I add video controls. And I need to have a source, and the source will be the variable I've just created, the variable called video URL. And we need to remove this, and we need to remove this, and the video will be of type MP4. So this is all we need here. Let's save this view and close it. Because I would like to see this video view in my main navigation, I need to open the layout.cs HTML file here. And like I did in the first 3 videos, I'm just copying that line here and pasting it down here. So the name of the element in the global navigation will be video, and this will link to the video view in my home controller. That's all we need to do here. Save it and close it. So the last step is we need to add additional functionality to our home controller to be able to get access to the video. So let's open the home controller. Here we go. Scroll down to the end of the file, and we need to add a new action result here. So public action result, let's call it video. And this action result needs to return a view. Okay. To be able to access our blob storage, I need to have an account name and the key value, and that will be the same as I used in the third video, so I can copy it here. And I'm pasting it here. And just in case you're wondering where to get the account name and the key value, that's very easy. So let's switch back to Azure. So close that here. The file has been uploaded. Okay, close it. And click on Access Keys. And here you can see the storage account name and the key I'm using. Okay, let's go back to the dev environment. So we have the account name and we have the key value here. And the first thing I need to create is I need to have credentials. So let's create credentials. Credentials equals new storage credentials. And here I'm passing the account name and the key value. So we're done with that. The next step is I need to create an account. And account equals new cloud storage account. I'm passing my credentials. credentials, and the second parameter of that call will be set to true. As you can see here, true means use HTTPS. Sorry. Okay, so now I need to have access to the container, the blob container I've created. So let's create a new variable called container, and container equals account dot create cloud blob client, and here we need to get a reference to our blob container. So get container reference, and I need to pass the name of my container. You might remember the name. It has been App Modernization Videos. Okay, so let's verify the name. Let's get back to Azure. Here is our container, and here is the name, App Modernization Videos. Okay, so let's go back to Visual Studio. So we have our container, and now we need to have access to our blob. And this is actually the video file I've just uploaded. So var blob equals container dot get blob reference, and here I need to pass the name of the video, and the name of my video was small.mp4. Okay. To be able to stream that video, we need to have a URL that our video player can use to stream that video. To get an URL, we first need to set up some permissions. And again, this is quite easy to do. Just create a new variable called shared access sig, and this equals blob dot get shared access signature. So when this will be new shared access blob policy. Okay, so let's configure this. So we have permissions. Permissions equals, I think read permissions are sufficient for our example, and we also want to have an expiry time. So this is called the shared access expiry time, and this is, let's set that to datetime.utc now. UTC now. Let's add hours. Let's make it valid for 1 hour. Okay, so now this is configured. Close that here. And with this, we can finally get our video URL. So let's create that. URL to be played equals string.format. And this is consisting of 2 parts. So I'm doing part 1, part 2. And the 2 parts are blob.URI and our shared I think I have a typo here. Share access sig. There's a D missing, but that doesn't affect the code. Okay, so now we have the URL to be played, and we just need to pass the URL to be played to our view. To do that, simply access the view data. The object here is called video, and this equals URL to be played. So, and after that, our review is called. Good. So let's save our changes and see if our App Modernization demo is still ready to be built. So let's build it. Build has started. And build succeeded. Okay, now we are ready to publish that application. So I click on App Modernization Demo, right click, publish. And because I have created a publishing profile in my first video, I don't need to do it here anymore. So I simply click on Publish. Now Visual Studio is publishing that application to Azure. And as soon as that has been done, the Internet Explorer should show up and we should see our application. So let's wait for a few seconds until the publishing process has been finished. Okay, here we go. Internet Explorer has been started automatically and it's trying to get access to our web application. So it's reading now the web application from Azure, because this is the first time that this web application has been called today. This might take a few seconds. Okay, here we go. And as you can see here, there's our video. This is showing up in the navigation. So let me click on video here. Here we go. You see, this is the video, and I can play the video. This is how you can stream a video from Azure. As you've seen, there are just a few steps needed to stream a video that you have uploaded to an Azure Blob storage. In the following videos, we will add additional functionality to this web application as well as enhancing its reliability. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay tuned.